Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Marisa Enristio with student ID number 2023-32099. I'm from the Bachelor of Information System program. I will explain the coding. Okay, here, explanation of provide code. Code hasil, part 1 HTML and Bootstrap form layout. 1 head section. This import Bootstrap for styling and responsive layout. Enable Bootstrap component like buttons, form, and layout grid. And 2 style section. Set background to white. Apply blue background and white text for the form header, make from label bold. And part 2, body student assessment input form. The form contains input for name, student ID, attendance score, assignment score, midterm, final exam. And then part 3, PAP, processing the student grade. This block runs when the process button is clicked. Step-by-step explanation. 1. Retrieve form data. Gets input value from the form. Use the $post super global. And 2. Calculate final score. Computer final grade using weight percentage. Attendance 10%, assignment 20%, midterm 30%, final exam 40%. And determine grade letter. Yes. Assign grade based on the final score range. And number 4, determine pass or fail status. Final score, attends, use a ternary operator for simple is if else logic. And 5, choose color them for result. Choose color. If pass, bootstrap success, color green. If failed, bootstrap danger, color red. And number 6, display assessment result. Output the result inside a style bootstrap card. Show name and student ID, its individual score, final score, with 2 decimal, grade letter, pass or fail status, a finish button. And summary of program functionality. This a simple student grade system that takes input score, calculate a weight final grade, determine the grade letter and pass or fail status, and display it neatly using Bootstrap. Output a result card showing all enter data. Okay, this is hasil.pip, nama, name, Okay. Next is code input. Part 1, HTML document structure, declare the document type and language, start and HTML5 page. Part 2, section, HTML meta charset, set character encoding to UTF-8, ensure mobile responsive, set the browser tab title to penilaian mahasiswa or student assessment, and Bootstrap integration. Bootstrap integration and JS from CDN to style the form and use component like buttons and card. Custom style. Set light gray background for the page. Make the card header blue with white text. Make form label bold. And part 3, page content. Bootstrap layout. Add margin and padding using Bootstrap spacing utilities. And next, card layout form. Display the form inside a neat card with header and body. Use shadow for visual depth. And part 4, the form. Use post method to securely submit data to the same page. an input field with pre-filled values. Each field includes this PHP short syntax checks if a value will submit. If so, pre-fills the form with the old data so user don't have to re-enter after submission. HTML special chart ensure input save from XSS attacks. An input field name, student ID or name, attendance, assignment, midterm, final exam. Submit button is submit the form with the name, process which is use PHP to detect submission. Part 5, PHP script, server-side logic. Trigger when submit, run only after the process button is clicked. Read and clean input. Trims white space, use $post to get submit value. Input validation, checks if name is empty. Also checks is any numeric field it's blank. Display error message using Bootstrap alert box if need. Final score calculation is calculates weight. Final score output result is display final score with 2 decimal place. Use Bootstrap success alert form for clean formatting. Index. Okay. Okay, thank you.